Alright guys, so today we're out here in the mountains of the Alajuela province of Costa Rica. We have the Pacific coast there along behind us, and if you guys want to see more views like this, you can support the channel by dropping a like on the video. So you're seeing this cryptocurrency thing all over the internet, and you want to go ahead and get yourself invested into the space, right? Now, there's a right way to do it and a wrong way to do it. So let's say you're looking around YouTube, you're looking around at some different coins, seeing which projects you want to invest into, and you've come across Theta and Tfuel. Awesome. Salutes to you, okay? Now, there's a right way to do it and a wrong way to do it. Now, be very careful, because this is where you see a successful investor, right, come in and out of the space, and this is where you see somebody come into the space, lose money, say that, nobody can win money with crypto, and then leave, right? That's not who we want to be. We want to be the one who's making solid investments, right? Who's the profitable investor. So how do you become that profitable investor? Very simple. You want to apply a investment strategy called dollar cost averaging. What that means is you want to be buying into the market, right? Upping on your portfolio, upping on your certain cryptocurrencies, either weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. However, a lot of you guys already have that set up, and salutes to you. Now, you don't want to deviate from that, right? You want to make sure that that is your fundamental investment strategy when it comes to cryptocurrency. Right, on the side, you can do some trades here and there. You can do some swing trades based off of events and whatnot. I've talked about that before on the channel, right, of more active things you can do in the space. But what is cool about Theta and Tfuel is that they offer staking, right? You can stake your Theta and earn Tfuel, and you can stake your Tfuel and earn more Tfuel off of that. Now, just by saying that, some of you guys are already going to realize the little passive income train that we can build here, right? You're earning income from one asset, putting that into, allocating that somewhere else, and then receiving more income based off of that collateral, right? Off of that same asset that you're investing into. Very, very lucrative way of earning a passive income in cryptocurrency. Now, another big thing is that you don't want to be making the mistake of, looking at other coins and then selling from your portfolio and buying into other ones, right? You want to make sure that if you're investing into an asset for the long term, if your investment plan with that asset is to at least be invested for a couple of months on end, that you want to make sure to stick to that plan, because when you deviate from your plans is when you tend to lose out in this market. Making sure that you don't make the mistake of buying into a certain coin, seeing it go down, getting worried, right? Letting your emotions get in the way of your investment, selling at a loss, and then really losing out big time when it comes down the line. If you guys want to make sure that you're investing into cryptocurrency the right way, and that you're not going to be making the many beginner mistakes that I tend to see when it comes to those that are new to the space, right? Those that want to start investing in cryptocurrency, a lot of them make a lot of mistakes, and you don't want to make mistakes, because the more capital you have to invest in the beginning, the more money you're going to be able to make down the line. So if you guys want to sign up for one-on-one cryptocurrency mentorship with me, you can through the Patreon link in the description below. Now, to set up your passive income with Theta and Tfuel, it's relatively simple. For Tfuel, you need to go onto Theta's website and download their Elite Guardian node, right? Your Elite Edge node, okay? Once you download the Edge node, it's very simple. All you need to do is just delegate your Tfuel to a certain delegated address for the staking. You do that within the Theta wallet. And for your Theta staking, you can do that within the wallet as well. You just go to stakes, and you can stake it to a community-run Guardian node, okay? Now, that is a way to stake your Theta, not necessarily growing the ecosystem, right? Expanding the ecosystem. A friend of mine just set up a couple of Elite Edge nodes and Guardian nodes around the world. If you guys want to check out his website, I'll have the link to it in the description below. That is a way to help actually expand the ecosystem, right? And grow Theta TV in and of itself, right? Having more dispersed. Thing with the community run Guardian nodes is that they all kind of like jumble it up into one computer. But if you guys want to check that out, I'll have the link below. So once you've set up all your staking and your passive income rewards from Theta and Tfuel, what you want to do is grab your Tfuel rewards from your Theta staking, right, and stick that right back into the Tfuel staking. That way you're earning more off of that, right? Compound interest. And also take the Tfuel that you earn from your Tfuel staking and reinvest that back into the Tfuel staking, okay? For some, very simple, very easy. For others, it could sound very confusing, okay? If you guys need help setting all of this up, again, you can sign up for the Patreon. The link is in the description below. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see future cryptocurrency videos from me, and click on the notification bell. That way you receive a notification every time that I post a new video. It's a win-win for both of us. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, the link is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.